Okay, so this is an 8th grader, Santiago Inklin, and next to him is Raina Klein. She's a 7th grader. Yusuf is in the middle, Yusuf El Yusuf, Neha Krishnan, and these 3 are 7th graders. The boy on the end, Hector Garcia, is an 8th grader. One thing I want to point out, and I asked them if it would embarrass them before I say this, but they said it was fine. Santiago and Hector arrived at LJI midway through 7th grade, directly from Mexico. They were put in the ESL program. This year, they, of course, have just amazed us last year with all that they learned. And they were exited from the program, and they are both in all 4 subjects pre-AP classes. So they have really come a long way. They not only are amazing at all this, but they also were having to learn English in a very short time period. So I'm going to let Santiago start off.
So we all joined the robotics team on September. We are part of the first LEGO League, and we think we're the next robotic champions. We went to a competition in December where we got a golden ticket and 7th graders got a trophy for robot design. This was very exciting for our unexperienced team since this was our first time in a very competitive business, I guess.
Each year there is a different theme in the competition. This year the theme was recycling, and they graded us on the robot, the presentation, and how we treated each other as a team. We had to treat each other with leadership and respect each other's leadership, cooperate with each other, and teamwork. And this was a very big part of our grade in the grading process, I guess. And those 3 things, they're called our core values.
To do all this, we had help from our teachers, our DAO mentors, and our ISA mentors. They helped us program the robot, they helped us design the robot to to gather all of these points in a short amount of time, quickest as possible. In the competition, they only give us 2.5 minutes to do all our missions and get the most points that we can.
For us to work on the robot, we had to share our ideas, listen to others' opinions, and work together as a team. Even though we may not have pictured the same image, we all had the same goal. So with our unique abilities, we were able to achieve those goals. Communication was a great part of our team. First, we had to come up with which mission was the most important. Then all of us came up with a way to run the mission. Then we would choose which mission is the best way to run it. Then the designers would design an attachment to put on the robot when we ran it. Then the programmers would program a mission so we could use it during the competition. Trial and error was a great part of when we were programming, because we would try something, and if it didn't work, we would change it up to where it would work, and it was perfected.
Finally, we got our act together. Yeah, it was competitive. And we also got a place in the winner's table, I think. So all of our team was interested in becoming engineers or scientists due to this program.
It just opened their eyes to all the things they can do with this. We've got some other very enthusiastic members back in here. They're our support team. I've got some boys, I think 3 boys are going to demonstrate right now what we can do.